Welcome. If you've ever tried using your camera on Facebook Web but ran into issues with it not turning on or asking for permission, you're not alone. With the latest update, Facebook's permission settings have slightly changed, but don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact steps to make sure your camera access is set correctly on your PC. First, open your web browser and head over to Facebook Web. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, take a look at the top of your browser, right next to the web address bar. You'll see a small icon. This is where you can view site information. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will pop up showing you some basic details about the site, like the connection status and a few permissions. From here, select the option that says Settings. This will open your browser settings specifically for Facebook's website. Now, scroll through the list on the left side until you find Permissions. Under this section, click on More Settings Permissions. This is where your camera, microphone, and other privacy settings are managed. Next, locate the camera option. To the right of it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose Ask. This means that the next time Facebook needs to use your camera, whether for video calls, recording, or going live, your browser will ask for permission first, keeping your privacy protected while still allowing access when you need it. Once that's done, all your new settings will be saved automatically. You don't need to restart your browser or reload Facebook right away. The next time you open the camera feature on Facebook, you'll see a pop-up request asking if you want to allow access. Just click allow and you're good to go. And that's it. You've just updated your Facebook web camera permissions with the latest settings. Thanks for watching.